Baykal laser tube cutting machines. BLT 2D or 3D cutting. From 1 kilowatt to 6 kilowatts. Laser tube cutting machine for superior quality. No need for sawing, drilling, or deburring. Baykal BLT 2D or 3D laser tubes is a fast and flexible tube laser cutting machine with 6 meters and 8 meter size options, and a cutting option XXL pipes up to 220 millimeters, and rectangular tubes up to 220 by 220 millimeters, wall thicknesses of up to 10 millimeters for mild steel. Important technical information for Baykal BLT 2D or 3D laser tubes. Maximum outside diameter of round tube in millimeters, 220. Maximum outside dimensions of rectangular tube in millimeters, 220 by 220. Maximum workpiece weight in kilograms/meter, 70 technical specifications for loading. Load 1, front rear. Bundle. Load 2, front rear. Semi-auto load. Load 3, manual minimum loading length, meter, 2 meters. Maximum unloading length, meter, 6 meters. Bundle loading capacity, kilogram, 3,500 kilogram. Technical specifications for unloader: 3 programmable positions, rear conveyor belt and motorized front and rear collection tables. Unloading length, meter, 6 meters. Baykal BLT 2D or 3D. Laser tubes can cut very precisely complex contours in materials such as mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, or non-ferrous metal. Baykal BLT high-end laser tubes makes higher accuracy and quality possible in your production. The 2D and 3D laser cutting technology takes care of it. The tube support by controlled axis both in the loading and in the unloading helps to keep the tube straight. Baykal BLT laser tubes guarantees precision, without sacrificing high productivity and flexibility when processing closed tubes, angles, channels, flat bars, ellipses, round, square, triangular, open profiles, I, U, H, L, and other special shapes from 16 to 220 millimeters in diameter and 220 by 220 millimeters rectangular, tubes and profiles up to 70 kilogram meter in weight. Baykal BLT laser tubes have IPG, YLR, and YLS series. N-Light Max Photonics brands laser sources between 1 kilowatt to 6 kilowatts. The cooling system also comes standard, including laser source options. In Baykal BLT laser tubes, the cutting head is Prestech brand Light Cutter 3D or Ray Tools brand GF402. The control unit is Beckhoff brand, the nesting program is Lantek brand Flex3D program, and the filtration system is offered as standard in accordance with the structure of the machine. The Baykal BLT laser tubes combines the benefits of a fiber laser with the versatility of 3D cutting. With the 3D laser cutter Baykal BLT laser tubes, high-quality bevel cuts of up to 45 degrees on tubes, structural steel beams and open profiles can be achieved. You can further process corner connections more quickly, with optimal material utilization. With the Baykal BLT laser tubes 3D tube laser cutting at angles of up to 45 degrees, as preparation for the welding process is also possible, and there is no need for time-consuming milling, drilling, or sawing. Baykal BLT laser tubes have a semi-automatic and fully automatic loading system, as well as an unloading option with a conveyor system. Conveyor belts collect parts after cutting and give the operator sufficient time for logistics, packaging, or carrying out other tasks. Additionally, the automatic loading system facilitates the loading of material and enhances operator safety. Baykal Autoloader Bundle is easily accessible for the manual loading of bundles. Using the bundle loader, you can load bundles of tubes, single bars, or open sections. The Baykal Tube user interface enables intuitive operator guidance via a touchscreen. Baykal BLT laser tubes include libraries of functions that speed up and simplify design on the tube and accurate batch time. The database of cutting parameters enables us to achieve the best performance and quality for different materials and material thicknesses. Baykal BLT laser tubes have door switches and cameras as security systems. Baykal BLT laser tubes covers over 90% of the total market demand for laser tube cutting.